Good afternoon, gentlemen. Today it's time for cleaning the chimney. So I will remove that part later on, probably tonight after I finish to work outside. What I mean that part is the inside part of the chimney right there. And now we're going out. Woohoo! So you can see my wood there. I will have to split that. And you can see the beautiful view. And what I've done is I just took off the undercover of the chimney. So all this stuff falling down, the cover is still there. And I'm gonna climb the roof up there to pass my brush. Okay, so I'm going there right now. And I've got a surprise up there. Yes. And if I go back, who's all the way down there on the top of the roof with me? Marie-Ange. Say hi, Marie-Ange. Hi. She's holding my tool for me, so I'm going up right now. You're gonna see. So I'm climbing up, always 3 points, contact. There we go. Now for those of you asking yourself why my roof is so damaged, I put about 100 gallons. How many? No, I'm just kidding. I put a lot of tar. Yes, my roof will be done soon, but for this year, that will be it for now. So that's a good protection against rain. And I did the hydraulic oil all the wood here, okay, and it's working very fine. Okay, so I'm gonna go up there. I don't know if we have a nice view. Can we set the camera? Just hold on. The mountain you can see through there, it's Offord Mountain. The one down there is Glen Mountain. All the mountain you see in the back, it's the Green Mountain Range. And if I go move like this a little bit, that one is Sutton. And the one there is Bromont. All right, Ski Hill Bromont. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna set up this little camera like this right now. Oh, I forgot. I already cleaned this part of the chimney. Everything is nice and clean. All right, this one is a 10-inch inside the chimney. It's the prefab chimney with it's 2000 Fahrenheit tested. This is my antenna, by the way. It's the that antenna I'm on that side is pointing toward Burlington, and this one is pointed towards Mont Offord. So I have all the Canadian channel, and this one is all the US channel. I mean, I receive CBS, all the PBS, NBC, Fox News from Burlington. So, and if I had another antenna, I will point it that way. That way it's toward Montreal. I will have 5 more channels, and it's working very great. It's free, and the quality of the television I've got, it's HD. It's better than even in cable because it's not compressed to go in coaxial cable. So it's very good. It's I've been using it since 4 years now. The whole installation, just it was delivered. It was $200. I installed it myself, and it's very good. And that's it for me. I have the total channel I've got. It's 32. So it's free. Now back to business. It's the chimney part, so you're gonna see me doing the sweeping the chimney. All right. And I forgot to mention, and I've got the flu. What? I've got the flu. My nose is chopped up. Now that chimney, it's 6 inches inside, so and you will see later on how much it produces in clears up. Guys, to sweep a chimney, a prefab chimney, do not use steel brush, alright? You have to use nylon brush. The reason why you don't want to cause corrosion by using a steel brush. If you're using plastic nylon, it will clean very good. You won't scar the inside of the prefab chimney. You won't damage it. So that's how. Hey, Ange, I see your shadow. So always use a nylon brush. So I've already installed. I cleaned the cap already, so I'm gonna put the cap back, and then we'll see how much it produced downstairs on the down. So I'm gonna leave the brush like this. See you.
As-tu prévu ça?
Yes.
Comment on fait un lapin?
So this is it for now. Now let's go downstairs.
Comment on fait un lapin avec les doigts?
All right, my Ange. Time for you to go down.
Oh, oh là là. Ok.
Yes.
Ouais, je peux rester ici, hein?
No. So go in front of the ladder. In front of the ladder. Okay. Take your 2 hands on the top of the ladder. Use that to pull yourself up. All right. Now go on the side. Get closer. Now your right foot will be the first foot to go on the ladder. Always use. Wait. And.
Right.
Yes, the right foot on the ladder. The first step. The first step of the ladder, just under the ring gutter. Yeah. All right. Then move on the other side. Watch out for the cable. Yes. Now you're always holding yourself. Yeah. Now the other one. That's it, young lady. Always 3-point contact. 2 hands, 1 foot.
Faut-tu en prendre 4 points à la place?
4 points. Yes. Take your time. That's it. Voila.
Voila.
Now it's my turn.
Pitch the camera. Pitch the camera.
You want to receive the camera? No. It's the only one I've got, so please. So just to give you a quick view, so we have the garage there, almost at the same level, by the way. You can see the garage right there. So I have one chimney, the antenna, and the next chimney. All right. So I'm gonna go down there. Okay. Ah, il est temps. All right. It's tough to see, but that chimney from there to there, it's 5-foot section. So I have one section, two section, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2 feet, 1.5 feet. So I have 25 feet long chimney. And the dust it creates for all winter, it's basically, oh my god, wow, I'd say 4 cup, 4 cup of dust, and that's it. So I will clean up that mess. So and Marianne already have the brush. Okay, so now I could blow my nose again. Alright, so that was it for today. I've got various chores to do and drink water and take some rest between, and fun stuff with Marianne. So cheers guys.